Definitely raining. It's a very wet day today, and we've decided to go to DSO in Homebush for some shopping.
Yes. What we buy? We're looking for a suitcase.
A suitcase, some shoes.
The Samsonite's actually died.
It did die. They say it doesn't, but it did die.
Yeah.
One of them.
Yeah, one of them did, yeah.
And some shoes for me. And who knows, whatever else we find. Some yummy lunch. And then we'll go back home. Sunday traffic in Sydney. On a wet day. Looks like everybody else has decided to go out driving as well. It's definitely raining. Probably wasn't a good idea to go out today, but we didn't think it was going to be this wet. Lucky it's undercover parking. Here we are at DFO. But you can't see anything because of the rain.
Right, we made it to DFO inside the car park.
It's not raining here.
No, it's not. It's good. It's left and everyone's lined up to go to the shops. There's lots of different stores here. Ange is stuck into Skechers. Look for a pair of shoes for herself. And we've come to handbags also to look for a new couple of suitcases. So this is the second floor of the outlet. This is Sheraton outlet. Vans, coffee shops. We've got the Lindt chocolatier shop. Yummy chocolates in there. As I said, there's a lot of shops up here. Factory prices, Oakley, Ollie's Place. It's from baby wear, Ollie's Place. Got a women's shop, Bendon, it's got the women's undergarments. Paracash for men's clothes. There's a shoe shop. Nice looking leather shoes in there. Ladies shop. Outlet bags. More menswear shops. A lot of menswear shops up here. So if you're looking for menswear, do pop in. Dinosaur cakes. Boost juice. It's all here. If you're thirsty for a drink, grab the Boost juice. So if you're ever in Sydney around the Homebush area, pop into here. Another exit from the car park. There's a lot of stores on one roof. So you don't have to fight the elements. It's raining outside. It was raining heavily when we came. But you wouldn't know it here. There's nice clothes around here. Buy gifts for yourself. A lot of brand names too, as you can see. Jimmy Choo, Michael Kors, Ralph Lauren. Get some good deals in there sometimes. Tommy Hilfiger. So there's a wide variety of things to buy from here. back to where we started from. We're done. Ange bought shoes and a handbag, and now we're off to get some lunch. Now we're upstairs before, now we're going to go downstairs where we entered from. Downstairs is also a food court.
There's plenty to eat here, but we're going to go out to eat. We don't need anything else.
Down the escalator now. Okay, this is downstairs. Quick show of the food court. It's quite big.
So we've done our shopping and we're back out on the road, and it's not raining, thank goodness, but it is very cloudy. And now we're off to go and get something to eat before we go home and settle for the day.